Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel. So this is a very important from the get calls for your business from Facebook option. What is the major priority for get the calls from your business using Facebook? So Facebook compulsory option name is called the button will be adding here. Next thing is called your posting creator studio and your Facebook page. A lot of difference. Facebook page and a Creator Studio. When selecting this feature, we have to go to the setting option. In this enable by WhatsApp button is compulsory mandatory field. Second thing is called get button. Get button will be activated by the about details, add your phone number option. Add your phone number option. So today I discuss topic about Sai Shankar Astrology. Is an astrologer from multiple countries, Canada, US, UK, Germany, Switzerland. So they can promoting for leads. What kind of leads? The lead nothing but I have to use the social media content. Here will be use this option will be here. So what are the content here? If you have to promote this particular content, so select here best astrologer, New York and Brooklyn. Here I have received the call purpose, create post button by using get call option, click for continue, select this feature. We can add your particular image where from related page. So we can say check for the place where exactly our image will be used to the customers. Done. Next one, copy the URL in this. Here, three advantages. One is called keyword promotion. The people like page likes. Second will be website traffic. Third will be receive the call from your particular option. Call now option will be here. After this one, click for post. This post you can show to customer. The option name is called call button. This call button, most of the mobile user will be easily identified. Mobile user easily identified. So this is the purpose. You can increase the calls by your image is most important user eye contact. That will be increase the calls based on the locations. So what an option will be selected will be here. Call button I'm selecting and post content will be based on image and link. Three benefit page likes, website traffic, calls. But calls future will be given by the only for mobile user purpose. So that is the option will be given in this particular future. So here just look into this option. So post it. What is showing for call button. When click the call button, the customer will call your particular phone number. This call button only for users will be reaching for where particular mobile user purpose. Suppose I have received by so many messages. If interested, so what we can do option will be call. In this option will be get call. One more message is the WhatsApp message and get message also. This will receive from the where particular Facebook page. This is from WhatsApp message and WhatsApp call also. The call will be two advantages. If I'm target desktop user also, selecting WhatsApp, click this where exactly image, select the content. You can go to the copy URL, click for post. Two advantages, WhatsApp message, WhatsApp call. The customer will be connected with your user with the WhatsApp call and WhatsApp message also. The previous one only for mobile. This future will be mobile and desktop user target will be calls. This is the purpose of increase the calls. The future name is called get call button and WhatsApp button. One more thing is very important. If you're not adding phone number and about information, get call feature will be not eligible. Second thing is called your WhatsApp number is not eligible if not adding your Facebook page setting option. These two important key points on the particular get calls on your business from Facebook business page is a completely free, no required for the paid option. So this option we can use for each and every Facebook business page option. So if any doubts regarding get call and WhatsApp button, please contact my channel and definitely will be support you. If you like the video, don't forget like, share, subscribe our channel.